What is up, my slimes? We are back in our beautiful nice now. It has been a minute since we've played in a BB. We've really been running the destroyers recently. Tin can sailors, because I just did a video recently on my main channel. It's probably like, this is gonna be like what, like 2 weeks maybe after I uploaded? Actually, probably like 3 weeks. But I did a video on what life is like on a destroyer in the Pacific during World War II, so go check that out if you haven't. My main channel is just Hidden History. It's actually pretty terrifying what happened during the Second World War on those ships, but I'm not going to give you any more. I'm going to make you go watch it. But anyways, enough of the self-promo. We'll start sinking some ships, yeah? What do we got here? I think we got our range up to like 19.5. Can I hit that guy? Can we get hit? Vince Vaughn? What a loser, whoever named it. He's not, like, that's just such a random name. No offense, you're a loser, bro. That's probably a little bit harsh, but I don't understand why you'd make yourself Vince Vaughn. Nothing against Vince Vaughn even, just makes zero sense. So are we taking a shot at this guy? Alright, someone, when I was complaining about the ship's accuracy, they said aimed at the waterline. Okay, we had 12k there. How many shells struck? 3? Okay, not bad. Maybe you guys are alright. Maybe you guys do know what you're saying in the comments. I do actually listen to you guys, so I appreciate anybody that comments and gives me advice, even though I just like to complain about this game and say it's shit. When in reality, it's probably me that is just shit. It's the honest truth. Oh, this guy's cooked. Okay. We're gonna have to change our fire. Shit. Okay. It's kinda my bad, I'm not gonna lie. I wanna take out these cruisers though. That would be ideal. Not the best. I mean, we'll take it, but not the best. Y'all are gonna get me killed. Who's the Atlanta? I don't even know what you're talking about, gang. I don't know who the Atlanta is. There's no way we're taking that much damage from a cruiser, bro. I'm not buying that for 1 second. Not for 1 bloody second, mate. I don't know where anybody is. Oh shit. Come on. Oh, you're a couple of brats, I'll tell you that much. Shite. I'm in trouble. Oh, that was a battleship that hit me.
Solved, sir.
Oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in big trouble. I'm in huge trouble. Oh, I'm in giant trouble. I'm dead. I'm dead. 100%. 100% you're dead. That is a haunted P. God, whoever's part of my, actually I don't care. Whoever's hiding behind that rock is a straight up homo. A real British cigarette, if you will. Come on, fight me like a man. We are cooked, literally and figuratively. God, dude, what is the York's arm? I was literally thinking as I only saw 4k damage come from that. I was like, I bet that's the York. What is up with the York's armor? That is like the fucking... That cruiser is impossible to hurt. You're such a bitch. I'm dead. can't.
Problem solved, sir.
We just can't do anything.
The ship
We
is
just
on
can't
fire.
do anything. We can't get away. We're dead. I might as well just square up and do as much damage on the way out as I can. God, this game's so gay. This game pisses me off. I've never played a game before where like the situation just like can turn against you so quick. I'm dead before we get the second. Like it just like goes from, yeah, that is so gay. That like nice fucking save that for fucking Gay Pride Month. Fuck this game. I'm outie. I'm going to play and save football. A real fucking man's game. I'm drowning on this ship. Fuck my life.